How do you feel about the wildlife in these parts?
I like it. It's pretty darn crazy out here in these parts.
What is making that noise?
Some kind of wild beast.
What color is it?
Probably purple.
Do you enjoy dinosaurs?
I went and raped my dog last week.
Is that funny to you?
Well, he said surprise in a dinosaur type of voice, so it was really more like surprise sex.
So you're saying the dinosaur said surprise to your dog?
He did.
How do you know that?
I was there videotaping it. It's on
So
YouTube.
you were prepared, like it was a surprise, but you already had your camera out.
I could while away the hours, conferring with the flowers, consulting with the rain. And my head, I'd be scratching while my thoughts were busy hatching if... I'd unravel every riddle for any individual in trouble or in pain.
Oh yes, get in there. Deeper. Do it. Bear cub, left cave. You got it. So, Betty Sue, where'd your dogs done gone?
Peace, man. Yeah. The love of power. When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace, man. And it's like the man, the government, he's always trying to bring us down. Like, there was that draft and he tried to get me to go fight his wars for him, man. That ain't me. I went into hiding, man. Grew my hair out, started wearing a dress. Nobody knew I was a man, man. It's freaking sweet.
Hello, my name is Corn.
Hello, my name's Bobby Joe.
I like to be a nut. I like Jesus.
I like Jesus.
I like to play with my tube.
I like to cross dress.
Sometimes when I look in the mirror, I feel like my head is kind of big.
Sometimes people at church tell me that I sound demonic, but I have no idea what they're talking about.
Sometimes I get real angry and I go, ah.
Sometimes I like to do this.
Sometimes I think that I'm ugly.
Sometimes I think that I'm wearing a leaf.
Sometimes I think there's an acorn on my head.
Sometimes I think I don't have any private parts.
Sometimes I think that I'm really just somebody's finger.
I could think of things I never thought before.
I don't know.
Me neither.
I would not be